In this video, I'll show you how to calculate the difference in working days between two dates using the NETWORKDAYS function. This function automatically excludes weekends and can also exclude certain holidays if you want it to. As per our formula above, we will first enter the start date, followed by the end date, and optionally the number of holidays as well. So let's test it out with an example. Let's assume our start date is the 29th November 2021 and our end date is the 2nd of January 2022. For this example, we'll exclude holidays. To calculate the difference in working days, we'll type equals NETWORKDAYS, enter the start date, followed by the end date, and then close brackets and click enter. This returns 25. Which is correct as there are 5 weeks from the 29th to the 2nd, and there are 5 working days in each week. Next, let's incorporate holidays by using the calendar on the right. Let's assume we're taking the week of the 6th of December off. We can simply select the week that we're taking off in our calendar and then click enter within our formula. Note that even though we selected 7 days, Excel still returns 20 as 2 of those days are non-working days, Saturday and Sunday. Also, in order to include holidays, you must provide Excel with a list of dates in date format, such as the ones provided in the calendar. If you simply type 5 in the formula to represent 5 days of holiday, Excel will still return 25, as 5 is not a date that Excel can recognize. So that's how you can calculate the difference in working days between two dates in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.